Shiba Inu coin price prediction 2025 and beyond. The Shiba Inu coin price prediction for 2025 is encouraging for meme tokens. In fact, Shiba Inu is the poster child of meme investing in cryptocurrencies, right next to Dogecoin. However, will the SHIB coin work its way closer to 1 cent in value, or is the current crypto crash a sign of things to come in the future? Let's dig deeper into the Shiba Inu coin and take a look at expert forecasts moving forward. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Shiba Inu coin price prediction 2025 to 2030. Shiba Inu coin is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was first created in August of 2020. In just 2 years' time, it's become one of the most popular digital currencies on the market, despite its low value. At the current moment, SHIB is trading around $0.00001 after hitting an all-time high of $0.000086 in October of 2021. It has many prominent supporters, including the world's richest man in Elon Musk. Even a co-founder of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, is an investor who donated more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu, worth around $1.2 billion at the time, to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund. In general, Shiba Inu coin has the backing of crypto communities across social media and other platforms. It's one of the few feel-good stories of the crypto industry. And that's why the Shiba Inu coin price prediction for 2025 is so intriguing. The popular meme token is actually projected to grow substantially over the coming years. Many experts believe Shiba Inu token will be trading closer to $0.00004 by 2025. That's a potential return on investment, ROI, of more than 300% from the current price. It's still well below the all-time high, but it's a step in the right direction. Over the next decade, Shiba Inu coin is expected to break $0.0003. And it could come as soon as 2030. That's nearly 4,000% in potential ROI. Furthermore, many analysts believe its current level of growth, outside of the market downturn, makes Shiba Inu a good investment in moderation. Therefore, you don't want to put all your money into Shiba Inu coin. If you decide this is the right investment for you, do so in more moderate amounts to protect your portfolio. This cryptocurrency is far away from the $1 price point, much less 1 cent. Why is the Shiba Inu coin so popular? Steady growth is the name of the game for seasoned investors. And that's hard to come by in the crypto world. However, meme tokens like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin have grown in prominence and remain viable investment options. This is a huge surprise to many people, but it's clear there's a method to the madness. Shiba Inu coin is one of the top 15 largest cryptocurrencies in the world based on its market cap, which sits around 5.8 billion. In fact, there's a circulating supply of more than 549 trillion Shiba Inu coins. That's second to only Bittorrent. Trading volume is consistently high and it's regularly dominating news headlines next to the likes of crypto powerhouses such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's no wonder the Shiba Inu coin price prediction for 2025 is so optimistic. Investors love this token, and these communities, along with its powerful supporters, are determined to lead it to the 1 cent mark and beyond. Investing in cryptocurrencies, it's important to note that the cryptocurrency market comes with higher risks than traditional stocks. Moreover, many governments, including the United States, are working to crack down on the crypto industry through regulatory efforts. This is already receiving backlash within crypto circles as a means to an end. Yet, I don't believe crypto is going anywhere. It's true that the market is down bad due to recession fears and high inflation. Both cryptos and stocks are feeling the effects. However, there are many bright lights, and Shiba Inu coin is one of them. Long-term investors are sure to benefit by remaining patient during this difficult time. That's why it's so important to stay ahead of market movement, whether you're investing in crypto or not. For the latest investing insights, consider signing up for one of the best investment newsletters. These daily e-letters are packed with expert stock tips, crypto analysis and much more. Just find the one that's right for you. And in the meantime, keep a close watch on the Shiba Inu coin price prediction for 2025. It's sure to change over the coming months as the market recovers from the recent crypto crashes. And as always, do your diligence before making any investment decisions. This will help protect your portfolio for the long run. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.